Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting credentials. Create your Eventbrite account and generate an OAuth token or personal token. Once done, install a client, curl, Postman, or the official SDK for Node or Python so you can make requests quickly. Make sure to request scopes for the resources you need like events, orders, and attendees. Now test your token with a simple get to /v3/users/me to verify authentication. This confirms your environment and saves time before building calls that modify data. Next, you assemble endpoints and payloads. Fetch your organization events with get /v3/organizations/id/events to get ID and pagination tokens. When creating an event, post to /v3/events/ with title, description, start/end ISO times, currency, and capacity. This ensures the event is valid. Once the request returns, parse the JSON to extract ID and status. If results are paginated, follow the continuation token or page parameter. Finally, wrap calls in retry logic and rate limit handling. To finish, create ticket classes with post /v3/events/id/ticket classes including price, quantity, and admission type so your event can sell. Then register webhooks for order. Placed and attendee. Updated so you receive real-time updates and validate signatures on incoming calls. Make sure to test checkout flows end-to-end and reconcile orders against webhook events. If things go wrong, inspect response headers for rate limit info and the error JSON for invalid fields. Retry after the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.